So in today's video, I'm going to give you a little review on the TPT live event that I attended back in January. Sorry, it's a little bit late. In Seattle, Washington. If you are new, returning, welcome. Here at It's All Primary, we talk teacher side hustles. If you are new, I sing. Sorry. Anyways, yes, I attended the TPT live. It was in Seattle. I talked about it probably early July, saying I'm considering going, and I did. There is a new TPT seller in my school, and we went together, and it was great. She's brand new, and I thought, I'm going to go for her, but I'm also going to go for me, because I think it's important that we learn directly from TPT because they know what they're doing. So we left very early Saturday morning. It was a half-day event. Now, if you don't know anything about TPT Lives are where someone from TPT will come to your area or an area close by, and they are basically offering a half-day workshop for new sellers, or they say on their website early intermediate sellers. I don't know what intermediate is. They're basically a workshop on what you need to get yourself started. They have somebody in the area, a successful TPT seller, and they will share their story, which her name was Amanda. And I enjoy hearing other people's stories of how they made it. You never know where you go, hey, that sounds like me, right? And then they talk about, making resources, what a quality resource will look like, things, data, just little things you can learn from your dashboard. They talk about titles and product covers and thumbnails. They go through the basics, which would have been really nice when I started. I think I would have really enjoyed going to one. They weren't doing them back then that I remember. They talk about where you can find different things on the website. And one of the things that they did, and I don't know if they do this all the time, but they had different people could have a mini store audit done by Amanda, and there was another TPT seller there that was had a pretty big store. So the two of them kind of bounced off each other and gave great advice to these new stores. And it was I really enjoyed it. I'll tell you a couple stories. One, so my colleague and we left. We live actually thankfully close to each other. I left by 5:30 my place, and we were on the road by 6 a.m. And thankfully, the weather was beautiful and the roads were clear. And it took about 2.5 hours to get there, that's 2.5, 3 hours is pretty normal from Vancouver to Seattle. And the event was at the Marriott, and it was very nice. And we were in the lobby getting our parking arranged. And Pricila works at TPT. If you ever watch the town hall meetings, Pricila often talks towards the beginning of the town hall meetings. So my colleague and I are walking back towards the parking lot, and Priscilla's walking, and I recognize her right away, and she goes, "Lorianne, oh, we're just in the doors, just down there." And she kept walking past me, and I'm like, and I turned to my colleague and I said, "Did she just call me by name?" Right? I was like, what was that? It was really weird. It was very surreal. I was thinking, how does she know me? Then I wondered whether it was a very small group, because I'm thinking, oh, is there only like 3 people in there that, right? So she knows them all by name. But it was a group of about, I want to say 20. It was small, but that's nice because you can get all your questions answered. You can really meet people when it's nice and small. There were, in fact, 2 people from TPT. There was Pricila, and there was, I think her name was Kate. I was Lorianne, the YouTuber. So there were some of you were there at the event, and it was great to meet you. I was thrilled to meet you, because you see these names in the comments, and it's always cool to get a face. behind a name. So that was really wonderful. And thank you if you came up to me and said hello. I really do appreciate things like that. That was lovely. The Marriott served us breakfast. That was really nice. And then we just had, it was very casual feeling. It wasn't feeling like we got to do these. We got these TPT notebooks. We got a TPT pen. I would love more merch. Hint, hint. Like baseball caps or something, right? And then, like I said, Amanda shared her story. Then the lunch was great. We had wraps and soup, and that was really nice. And just again, a chance to talk to other sellers and ask for advice and what do you do with this and stuff like that. And that, again, it's really nice to network. And this is one of the things that I'm told about going to the yearly TPT Forward is the opportunity to network. I've heard mixed stories, and I can't speak from experience. I've never gone. One of the things I did enjoy is I'd go to another one. I'd go to another live event because, again, it's that opportunity to talk and connect with other sellers. And because it's more intimate, your questions will get answered. And that's a really important thing. And there were some new sellers there and they had great questions. And I learned something new. And this is, again, another reason why I like hearing things from TPT's perspective on your product descriptions and your layout of your store and all these kind of things. And I'm going to show that to you right. And you might know this, but I did not know this. I think sometimes I got asked a couple times going, are you able to get something out of this? Like, are you enjoying this? Like right now I'm thinking, yeah, of course I'm enjoying this. This is great. I love this. I kept saying, I'd like you to do it in Vancouver next time, but, and they're not close to that idea. So it was like, okay, maybe I'll talk to somebody. Hearing TPT's perspective just tells you what they see as important. And when you can hear what they think is important, they're the ones who develop the algorithm. So I would think if they think it's important, I should make it important. Okay. This was just a quick thing, but it was just did you know this? Okay, sort of thing. In your store, in your custom categories along the left side. So let's just scroll down. These right here. Your first 4 categories, okay? The first 4. So mine are bestsellers, bundles, $1 to $2 deals, and TPT seller templates. Those 4 will show up when somebody else is looking at one of your resources. So I go into one of my resources, I scroll down, and this is what other people see. You may also like da 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 da. More from this teacher's author. Your first 4 categories. So it's really important that those are ones you want them to click on. Your bestsellers, your bundles. See, $1 to $2 deals. Do I want them to click on there? No, not really. So maybe I got to get that out of there and use something else. That's what it is. I think they're from these categories because that's a $2 deal and that's a $2 deal. Oh, and they got a little dot here. $2 deal, $2 deal, $2 deal. That one is, I don't know why it's there. But see, that's what I'm saying. These are these little things you find out when you go to things like the live or even TPT Forward, okay? So as a whole, would I recommend it? Absolutely. And it's nice to go and feel like I can contribute as well. I mean, a couple times I was asked, what's your opinion on this? And my goal in going was to have no expectation and to just be quiet and listen. I mean, there were opportunities where I could have said something and I chose not to. Not that their information was wrong or anything, but I thought, sometimes you can get too many voices on something, and I didn't need to voice mine. I voiced mine here. Yeah, I met some wonderful people and really enjoyed it, and I would do it again. And we stopped at Trader Joe's. There's my receipt right there on the way back, and because I hadn't been to Trader Joe's since. It's been a while. One of the other things is what they were reiterating I was doing or things I was aware I needed to do. And they just said, yeah, you should do it. I almost thought I'd do a store audit, but there were a lot of new sellers there, and that was super encouraging. Super encouraging. Okay, so that's all I'm going to share about today. There are some resource audit, mini audits I'm going to do coming up, and I think I'm going to try and get those videos out kind of back to back. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy, and we'll catch you in that video or the playlist. See ya.